Hi, I'm Mark Anthony Lama. I'm 42 years old, Filipino, a Roman Catholic. I'm single, but I live in partner and one daughter, and she is now 8 years old. I live in Block 64, Lot 18, Asia 2, Kapayapaan Canlubang, Calamba City, Laguna. I'm a high school graduate, and I graduated at Pag-aba National High School, Pandan, Antique. I'm applying as a TIG welder or Detail Small Combination. And my total work experience as a welder is 15 years. 10 years as a detail small combination and 5 years as a small welder. My latest work experience company is Dual Air Incorporated. I hired this company as a full TIG welder. The nature business of this company is pipe installation, air and water supply, air conditioning, plumbing, and heat. Second company is DEA Saudi Arabia Ltd. This is a Korean company. I hired this company as a TIG welder for a 3-month shutdown. The nature business of this company including wind energy steam and natural gas power plants and other infrastructures development. Third company is Easy Power Construction Company. I hired this company as a TIG and small welder, and the nature business of this company is mechanical, electrical, and civil works construction. The fourth company is HK Al Sadiq Sons Contracting Co. Ltd. This is my first job abroad. I rendered 10 years services with this company in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This I learned and developed more in my skill as a welder in this company. This is primarily an EPC, engineering, procurement, construction, or contractor specializing in industrial projects and engineering solution. For those work experience in the company, I have duties and responsibilities to comply. First, I'll check all my PPEs before start the work. Second, preparing all my materials and equipment and checking if it is in good condition. Following superiors at all times. Cleaning before and after the job done. And most important, adhere safety policies at all times. I would like to work in Europe because there is good opportunities that can provide good wages and benefits for me and to my family. Thank you and have a blessed day.